Yeah. What up, YouTube? What up? It's Louis here bringing you today's cryptocurrency video. We're going to be looking at Polygon or Matic again. Guys, what was happening yesterday? I think when I made the video, we were down here, okay? And what I was saying is that if we do get back in, we want to see it hold as support. And once you confirm that as support, then we will break out. And once we get above this level, you have a technical target to the close to the all-time highs at $2.40. And that was the confluence that I showed you that resistance the other day. Let me get back to it. And I was saying that we're not using this as the resistance because we want an area of multiple touches in different locations. So 1, 2, that's why we're using this as the resistance point. And then we had the confluence of once we break out of here, it puts us just above that. So guys, what's going on with Polygon right now? I did say, guys, this is a descending triangle, and if we do break to the downside and just hold to the downside, we will fall to $1.55. And you can see that my target was met exactly, $1.55, guys. So now that that is done, obviously you've wicked back up and you've held the 200 moving average like a boss. Okay, it's very good that you got the retest of this swing high, because once you got above it, you never really came down to it. You did here, you had a little wick, but we want to see more price action in this zone. So we got 2 wicks down here now, which is amazing. So obviously it's all on Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin wants to carry on going down, then obviously everything will drag down with it. That's just common knowledge, guys. Bitcoin's the mothership. So if Bitcoin loses 64k, I think it is, then we might see it fall to 61k, and that's where the altcoins will obviously bleed a little bit, and that would offer an amazing entry point if you're not in them already. Of course, if you've already bought in the dip, amazing. This would have been an amazing point, because I did give you this in my video yesterday. I did say $1.55 would be the bottom, and what happened? 155 was the bottom. So now we need to look at the closer in time frames. But before we do that, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. I've just hit 200 followers on my Twitter. Let's blow this shit up, guys. Honestly, sorry for swearing, but I'm just so excited because I'm just so happy that I can get this content out to you guys. You need to realize that a lot of people don't want to share content because they're just scared of what other people are going to say. Like, of course, you're going to always have haters, and you just have to ignore it, guys. And I don't care if there are haters out there. I just want to get my content out to you guys, because remember, it doesn't matter if 99% of the people ignore this. All that matters is if that 1%, about that 1%. If I can help 1% of people, that's all that matters to me. And I hope my TA knowledge is helping you guys out. I've been doing it for almost 3 years now. And so, yeah, I'm just thankful that you guys are now seeing my content. We're blowing up. So make sure you thumbs up the video and subscribe. So yeah, let's take a closer in look on the 1 hour. So of course, we have this 20 moving average, and we actually try to tackle it, but we now fallen below it. This is fine, because what could be happening is that we're retesting support of this ascending triangle that I'm going to draw for you right now. So we have this ascending triangle here with a resistance of it sitting at $1.71. So the resistance is at $1.71. You can see actually when we came out, we retested it with the wick, but in my opinion, this is not enough, guys. I want to see bodies down here. I want to see an attempt of breaking below this. So wick's actually going through it. I want to see price action fall below this, but actually before it closes below this line, I want it to push back up, having wicks to the downside. So something like this, okay? I'm just so maybe like a so that would be the candle body, and I'd like a wick like this, for example, just like that, just like this, but over here, basically going through it. And then I want that confirmed as support, because once you do, you've got a technical target to the upside, and we'll measure all the way from this wick down here back up there. And your technical target for Polygon or Matic would be to this high over here. Interesting. So our technical target, yeah, on that green wick there, exactly. So our technical target now is $1.89 for Polygon. That is if Bitcoin can hold above 64k, guys, because remember, if Bitcoin loses its 4-hour 55 moving average, then we will be bearish in the short term, and this dip will continue. And what we could see potentially is something like this, where we have a double bottom and then maybe like a handle, because this would eventually become a cup, and then a handle, and then we break out, retest that, and then we're off. Basically, this is what we could be seeing, guys. Obviously this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm seeing in the charts. It's just for educational purposes only. But yeah, if you didn't enter down here, just wait for a pullback. Let's see if we hold this, then amazing, basically. But it's all on Bitcoin, guys. We need to remember this. So yeah, technical target now at $1.89. Once we confirm this as support, and then we'll head to there. And then you'd be above both these moving averages. And then these would do the cross, bullish cross, and now confirm your uptrend, basically. That's all a cross is telling you. It's just confirming the trend. So yeah, that is Polygon. Let me go on the daily time frame to see if we have touched our moving averages. So I'm going to remove all the drawings. So yeah, so on the daily, yeah, this M pattern or this descending triangle, and you've met your target to the downside now, and actually you retested the 55 moving average. Can you see last time you wicked down to it, what happened? Massive surge. So could this be the bottom, guys? To be honest, the worst case, as I said, you come back down to here and then we pump back up. And once you reach your $8, sorry, yeah, $8, I wish. Once you reach $1.89, that, once you get above that, that is when you confirm that the dip is completely over, because you're above this support that I gave you yesterday. Well, I'd say where the bottom of that descending triangle is, look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so above this level. Once you're above 189, you're above this level of 182, and that obviously hold that support, and that will confirm that the dip is finished, because once you get up to here, you're outside of this downtrend, right? So it's no longer a downtrend, so it's a uptrend. And so if we're in an uptrend, you break the high here, and once you break this high, it puts you in a target to here. So that's why I'm saying when we get above this level, this is our target, because once you're above this, you're going to here, and once you're above this, you're going to here, and once you're above this, you're going to here. Perfect, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Obviously, it won't be a straight line to the upside like that, but it's going to go up the stairs. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll bring out a few more today, as of when I can. Follow me on my Twitter. I think I just hit over 325 subscribers on YouTube, so let's get my channel to 400 subscribers as quick as possible. I was saying to you guys that I'm trying to hit 500 by the end of the year. Let's see if we can get there quicker. Share this with everyone, like the video. Thank you for your support, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, peace.